Here is your room. Please come in. Here is a TV. Push this button to turn it on. Push this button for the guide. Here is the phone. Push 1 for the front desk and push *0 to make an outside call. Here is the air conditioner. Push this button to turn it on and push this button to change the temperature. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy your stay.
Here is your room. Please come in. Here are the lights. Push this button to turn the lights on and off. Turn this knob to adjust the brightness. And here is the heater. Push this button to turn it on and push these buttons to change the temperature. Here is the toilet. Push this button to flush. Push this button for front washing and push this button for rear washing. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.